Google has just introduced something new called Enhanced Safe Browsing, which is a revolutionary service for those using Chrome and Gmail, providing advanced defense against dangerous websites, downloads, and browser extensions. Additionally, it verifies if usernames and passwords have been compromised in any data breaches. To do that, it does analyze a portion of your web activity. If you're interested in enhancing your browsing security and want to turn this on, let me show you how to do that. Start by going to your Google account and simply go to myaccount.google.com. That will open up your account page. You might have to sign in order to get there. Once you're on your page, go to Security and then scroll down. As you can see, you've got to go down quite a ways, and then you get to Enhanced Safe Browsing to your account. Make sure this is turned on. Once turned on, Google will automatically check for all of the items listed in here to make sure you stay safe the next time you're browsing the internet. Stay safe, stay secure. I hope that helps. And thanks for watching and listening.